In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status for a contact in ActiveCampaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to manually add a contact to a list and then adjust their status within that list so you can keep your email marketing organized and accurate. Let's start from the main dashboard inside ActiveCampaign. First, you'll want to go to your Contacts area. Look for the Contacts option in the main navigation and then choose All Contacts. This is where you'll see a complete list of everyone in your account, along with basic details like their email address and any tags or lists they're already on. Next, find the specific contact you want to work with. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to look them up by name or email. Once you see the contact you want, click directly on their name. That will open up the contact profile, which is basically a detailed view of everything related to that person, their recent activity, tags, lists, and any automations they might be in. On the contact profile page, look for the section labeled Lists. This section shows you all the lists that this contact is currently part of, if any. To add them to a new list, click the Add button in that Lists section. A small window or drop-down will appear that lets you choose which list you'd like to add this contact to. Select the appropriate list from the options, then confirm by clicking OK. At this point, you've successfully added the contact to that list. Now, adding the contact is just the first part. The important piece for segmentation and deliverability is the contact's status on that list. To adjust it, look again in the List section on the contact profile. You'll see the list name you just added. Click on that list name to open its details for this specific contact. Here, you'll see a status dropdown associated with that list. Click on the dropdown to view the available status options. Depending on your account and how you use ActiveCampaign, you might see statuses such as active, unsubscribed, or others. Choose the status that correctly reflects this contact's relationship with that list. Once you select it, the change is usually saved automatically, but if you see a Save button, make sure to click it. And that's it. You've manually added a contact to a list and updated their status in ActiveCampaign.